Kung naghahanap kayo ng ready for occupancy or pre-selling townhouse here in Trece Martires, Cavite, please continue to watch this video. In front of me, guys, is our street model unit with 2 bedrooms, 1 carport, 1 toilet and bath with living and dining area. So we are here in a gated and secured subdivision, guys. Yeah, so this is your community na napakalawak ng daan. So 15 meters wide po yung mga main road, and yung mga inner roads naman po ay nasa 10 meters wide. So let's check our model unit. Let's go. So by the way, guys, this is applicable for Pag-ibig, bank, or in-house financing. Okay. So this is your carport, or you can also use this as your garden, guys. So if you will be getting a corner or end unit, you still have an extra space sa may gilid. And for expansion in the future. Okay, so let's check our living and dining area. Let's go. So upon entry, you will be welcomed by your living and dining area. So pwede to bare turnover or semi-complete turnover. So depende po sa need natin. And you have here your entry and exit point going to your service area, guys. Sobrang hangin sa Trece Martires, Cavite. Yan. Though tirik yung araw, pero malakas yung hangin. Yan. Okay. And you have here your toilet and bath. Okay. Check natin yung second floor. Let's go. So this is good for couple, no? Or yung mga kinasal or gusto mag-start ng family. So this is a good start. And what I love about this property ay very secured. Malapit po sa lahat or accessible sa mga establishments na kailangan natin. Okay, and this is your bedroom 2. Alright, so guys, if you have questions or clarifications, comment down below or message us through Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!